Hello everyone, this is Mark from Cologne Watch today with another episode from On the Wrist here from Abu Dhabi at this time, and today I have for you a spectacular Richard Mille, and it is the RM10. This one is a little bit smaller than the RM11. It's an automatic three-hand watch with a date, which is quite affordable if you compare it to other Richard Mille models. But before we start, please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. So this model got introduced a while ago, and I have to say that the prices from all Richard Mille watches went up pretty high and also very solid. They hold it at one level. This has to do with their politic, because you can only buy Richard Mille watches in their own boutique and you will not get any discount there, and that leads to the fact that you either can go to their boutique or you can go to a grey market dealer, and because of that the prices are quite solid. So I would say let's go into the watch and check it out on my wrist. So here we have the awesome RM10 from Richard Mille. We can directly see the shape which most of the Richard Mille watches feature, this tonneau kind of shape. Difference between the RM11, for example, and this one is that this one is quite smaller. We have here the dimensions of 48mm and 39mm. You have also on the RM11 more screws at the top part. This watch is made out of three parts. You have the top, middle section and the bottom. Here you can also see the beautiful movement. Let's focus on this here. It's quite nice to look at, and also the unique feature is that you can alterate the rotor with this kind of weights, and then you can alterate the way how fast the rotor spins. This is a nice feature which Richard Mille watches offer. We today have a leather bracelet on the watch, and here is the folding clasp, which you definitely need to see. This one you can also find on Chanel watches, the same system. So now let's put it on the wrist. Like I said before, this watch has three hands and a date. It has a nice shape and the wearing comfort is really excellent. A skeleton, a dial, so you can directly see all the parts on the movement. All gray parts, which you can see here, are made out of titanium. The watch has 55 hours of power reserve, and overall the watch is not that aggressive and loud like the RM11, so I would wear this one also to a suit. It fits, the cuff fits over the watch. If you are looking for a sport watch which nobody has, then maybe this is the watch to look at. It has proven in the recent past that the prices are really consistent. At the moment this watch sells for around 65 to 75,000 euro. It really depends if it comes full set or not. This one is also waterproof to 50 meters, and the funny thing is that the movement is held by a rubber part which is linked to the case, and this is doing a great job to avoid any shocks which can not damage the movement but the accuracy. Overall this watch, in my opinion, is really a great timepiece, and if you are looking for a Richard Mille watch under 100,000 euro, maybe this is the one you should look at. It's very hard to find, I have to say. This is the first time in maybe 1 year that we have one, so don't wait too long if you're interested in this. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Mark Gebauer. I hope you enjoyed that video here from Abu Dhabi, and if you are interested in maybe this watch, please visit our website colognewatch.de, and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Yeah, this is all I have to say, and take care. Bye bye. Thank you. Das Ding mal anziehen, ja. If you are interested in this watch, please visit our website colognewatch.de, and until then I have to say thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Jetzt habe ich zweimal thank you very much gesagt, oder? Ja, okay. No, nochmal.